Okay, well, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Back to the series about the HMI WeinView. Today I want to share an experience from me to how to backup and restore the program of the HMI WeinView right away. Yeah, yeah. It's I'm working. I have the an HMI here with the model uh, MT 8071IE for the practice today. For the physical connection, you can follow the video in the below link, and I will attach it in the uh, vi- below. I will attach this link in the below. Okay. To backup the uh, HMI WinView, we have two ways. So the first one we will upload and download by Utility Manager here, and the second one is to upload and download by Easy Builder Pro. And with the first method, it can we can upload and download full program and memory of the HMI, and but and in the second one you can when we use the Easy Builder Pro only we can only upload and download the program of HMI without memory failure. Yeah. Now we will start with the third one, the upload and download by Utility Manager. I'm I am using the Easy Builder Pro version no in the I think it's the version I'm using Easy Builder for your 8 and up for this project. Okay, this is the user interface of the Utility Manager. To we will select the public tab and to upload program. Please choose the upload tab here. Yeah, you can see here there are a lot of option here, including project. It means program. This is a register, a local register of the HMI, which will store the value of the memory, value of the maybe um, coordinate or the product model. Yeah, here two kind of register and receive data table and so on. Yes, you can see. We just need to okay make uh, should I have two here. I will delete the old one. This is for the old one. Okay, and choose again. WinView is a full backup with the utility manager, and just I will put the same name. Just copy it full backup with same name. EHOB file, and then it is for Arvidoff. Okay, this for WA register. This for receive data table. Right, send log. Okay, It's for data log. We just need to here test HMI and shoot into the full backup. Okay. And the same part with the here. Okay. Yeah, it will for the setup IP. You can input directly IP from the HMI into here with the condition that you need to put you do need to set up the check the yeah the same class with the HMI. Okay, here. Okay, and then with so the IP of the AMI is correct. So I need to upload here. The upload now for starting uploading file. Okay. Okay, process was finished. You can check the here on the data here. See, this is the for the RAM. This is for and to find is for the value of the memory. And it is and if you want to download it the same way, just need to click on download tab and then select the file, select this file and select the right file, receive database. Okay, okay. Last time we don't have received database. Okay, so just skip it and be careful with your choice here in this group board. You can reboot datamine after download and reset receive database. See, if you want when you click like this, it means when you download the RAM, you recover RAM the value value of two file. This file will override the file of the AMI. Okay, just click download. Yeah, process will be finished soon. Okay, finished. Finished. Okay, this is the first way in the first way when with upload by utility manager, it will can yeah, fully backup and restore for email. But the other way is we are using directly Easy Builder Pro function. Click in the design tab and click and open the Easy Builder Pro. Okay. Now in the file, click in the file and then you choose the upload. You see here, you cannot you cannot you cannot save or backup the received database such as RW and RWA. register. It means you can cannot backup the program properly way just for the working directly with the program only. Okay, program backup and put the name here. Okay, sorry. So I think I will copy this one and put in here, and then open it. Okay, okay, just select the correct IP of the AMI and then upload. Now process was starting. Finish. Mhm. Okay, upload finished. So we need to decompile the EXOB file. The file decompile to the file we can modify something. Then open it. and and when you directly modify the program, such as I will delete something here, and then to download it again, I click in the project tab and click on the download. This is for comply, not yeah, it's the main the this is necessary. This option is the first thing you need to choose. Mode to choose is the program which you are um modify here. Okay, this is called runtime. And if you don't need and don't want to change the phone of the phone of the AMI, you can deselect this one. Okay, synchronize. There are a lot of functions here, and here report to check. If you select this like this, you will when you modify, you can when you download the all the data, which save store it on the AMI will be stored, will be clear. And if it means all the data, all the coordinates value or product model value also clear. So be careful with your choice here. I just deselect it and download because I just need to modify program, right? Okay, finish. And you can see in the screen the program will update, but the value of the register still here, 1289, right? And with the same condition, but if I choose, I can see show you here. If I can choose reset the receive and reset the receive database, reset even log, reset okay anything, and then download again. You can see now all the data, local data will be reset, will be clear. Be careful with the download and upload action because almost when you go to work, not only you are will design a new HMI for a new machine, you almost time you need to make modify and backup in the old machine. And the machine needs they are working on the live production and some uh, yeah, if the data lost, if the data lost, it means machine cannot working anymore, and it will make a lot of time, or yeah, even more dangerously, their own data will be lost and take a week and a month to recover the condition of the machine. Okay, but so if uh, this is the second one, this is the second one to upload and download. If with the condition this like one, if you want to recover the original of the HMI, you can back to the public tab and click the download here and select the old one with the full backup we did in uh, before here and here. Okay, here, and now in this way you can reset receive or not. But if you want to recover back to the original condition, you should click on reset receive to override it one, to override the old parameter into the AMI, and click the download, and let's see the result now. Okay, it will be finished soon. Finish it. Okay, and then now you can see on the data and on the program what the recovery here. That's why I want to. I think you should back up with the first method by utility manager before you did anything with the machine. First, it's very important skill. Okay, that's all for today, and thanks for your listening. If you like this video, please share and subscribe for me. Thank you.